Today's video, we're going to be talking about a door strike. So a door strike on a front load is usually mounted on the door. It may be a little different shape depending on your make and model of machine. You'll know if there's something wrong with it. You'll find one of these tabs will be broken right off, or there'll be a piece missing, or you'll see a really rough edge. If that's the case, it needs to be replaced. And to do so on this machine, it just requires a basic Phillips screwdriver. So to remove it, just go to take our screwdriver, loosen the screws, and that's how you remove your door strike.